Can AI actually book qualified appointments for contractors? Let's talk about the elephant in the room: trust. Contractors worry robotic automation hurts customer relationships, but there's a huge difference between bad automation and useful automation. Useful automation is about speed and precision. It responds fast, answers simple questions, and qualifies for basic fit. Then, it routes the conversation exactly where it needs to go, either a direct handoff or a booked appointment. Think about it: voice AI answering missed calls or chatbots engaging your site visitors 24/7. Follow-up sequences keep not-ready prospects warm until the system books them when conditions are met. AI doesn't replace closing. It supports the path to the close by ensuring opportunities don't die before you speak to them. Whether it's roofing, windows, or solar, the qualification logic adapts to the specific needs of your vertical. From bath remodels to siding, AI ensures every lead is handled professionally and promptly. Ready to see it in action? Click the link below to test our custom demo and hear the voice flow for your own business.